Hey everyone, Corey from GrimmSpeed here. Today we're going to show you how to remove your top mount on your 2022 WRX. This is a pretty simple removal. The only tools you're going to need are a 12mm socket and a flathead screwdriver. So let's get after it. This removal is actually very straightforward. It's just going to be 5 12mm bolts and 1 clip. So I'm going to point out which bolts you're going to remove and then we'll take those off. It's going to be these two here, the two for the throttle body, and then just this one mount over here. So once those 5 bolts are removed, we then move over to this clip that holds in the upper portion of the charge pipe. There's this metal clip that we need to pry up to land on these ridges, and there's just 2 of them, so we're gonna go do this side first. You'll hear a distinct click. There's that one, and then this side. So now they're both locked into those valleys there, and we can just pull this off. Now you'll note we left this bracket on here so as to not have to snake that around the charge pipe during removal. As easy as that, you have your 2022 WRX top mount removed.